Hey babes, welcome back. Welcome back if you're new here. Welcome if you're not. Welcome back. So y'all, we are doing a pink bust down for my client. It is her birthday, so we started off with the braid down. I moisturized her hair and oiled it, and then I put on my skin cap. Y'all can purchase these skin caps down below. Everything is linked in my description. You want to cut out those ear tabs, and then I proceed to go in with a line of my lace glue, and then I follow right behind it with Evian spray and allow that to dry completely. You only need one layer of each thing. Don't do too much. We're not laying the wig right now. We just melting that ball cap. So after I finished with the application of getting that ball cap sealed, I'm gonna set her under the dryer for about 5 minutes. It dries really quick, and then we're going to proceed with the install. Alright, and after she has completely dried, I now pull her from under that dryer, and we are going to cut off that excess cap. And then I'm going to put a foundation that is closest to her skin tone onto that ball cap. And for my colored units, I also go in and put the same makeup inside of the lace. Not too much, but just enough. Alright, now we're about to put that unit on. This is a 13x4 613 HD lace unit from my collection. You can purchase it in the description below. So you see me just putting it on. I'm just basically seeing where I want everything to lay, and then I'm cutting out that excess lace that will be going over the ear just to make sure this unit fits comfortably. And then I am going to make sure I place everything where I want it. And it's gonna look like I'm tugging a lot, but I promise you I'm not, y'all. Nobody was injured. But yes, you want to cut out those pieces, and then we are going to begin to prep her skin for the meltdown. And I do like to pre-part my units, especially with a middle part. I don't know what it is about it, but I just like to part my unit before I glue it down. So I like to just see the vision before I create it. So I'm putting that same makeup on the lace, just a little bit on the outside, and then we're gonna go into prepping her skin. Alright, and to prep her skin, I do go in with a skin guard and just cleaning that skin off, and then I go in with 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely before applying the next one. And then after that, we go ahead and lay that lace into the glue and then begin styling her hair.
You go, oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm rising. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up.
Now that that last layer of glue has dried, we now can lay that lace into that glue line. So I always start with my center piece. I go in and lay that in as flat as possible, and then you go off to the side and lay that side piece down as well. And then after that, you're gonna place a melting band on and then begin styling her hair. And as that lace is melting, I do like to go in and do her styling. So we were going for like this loose curl layer vibe 1-2. So I do use a T3 curler, and then I pin my curls up and allowing them to cool before you just drop them. And then after that, as I get towards the top, I do go in and cut that lace off, and you guys will see how I melt that lace for a second time to ensure she gets a flawless install. Don't forget to hot comb that back of that wig, because this right here, that is where the helmet be coming in. That's where the helmet be at, y'all. Make sure y'all are hot combing the part between the frontal and then where the tracks lay, because that is where the helmet lays. We don't want a helmet. Hot comb, wax stick, lay it down flat. Alright, and as I'm halfway through styling, I do go in and remove that band and get ready to cut that lace off. So y'all already know I cut in a super jagged motion, and I am using a razor and going across that lace, making sure it's super jagged. It looks like I'm moving fast, but y'all, this is sped up. Take your time. Do not cut so fast. And then I'm going to cut all that lace off, pull out her baby hairs, and then melt her down again with a melting spray applied to the lace. Alright, and after I finish styling, I do go in and define that part, y'all. Make sure y'all define that part. It is literally life or death when it comes to this. So with my colored units, I do go in with the same exact shade. I do not go lighter. I do not go darker. I go exact shade of my client, and I define that part out. Now I'm going to go in with my baby hair, just combing the baby hairs out. I cut them at a diagonal. You see? Do not go straight across. We're going to curl them downward. You can go upwards if you want to, but me personally, I like to go down. And then we're going to lay them. I like to use a holding spray, nothing too heavy. And that's the look. Okay, y'all, I have something to tell y'all. Please don't beat me up, I swear, please. So as I was working on my client, focusing on my client, as y'all know I do, my camera ended up dying. And y'all, I'm so sad because, you know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta get y'all this quality content. But you know what? The enemy be trying me. He really do, but it don't. Look, I'ma still push this out. I'ma still get y'all this video because it was fire. So that's why we doing this today. Anyway, y'all, that's my little rant. My camera ended up dying, but at least I got y'all a full styling video. Like, I showed y'all how to curl it, how to pin it up. The only thing y'all didn't get to see is me taking it down. But it's okay because I showed y'all the ending. And I got other videos that show y'all how I do my comb out and everything. But I just had to get y'all this look because it was so tea. But y'all, please don't be mad at me. I will make sure I do better next time. My camera just really be hating on me. But, yeah. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, y'all. I really do appreciate y'all so much. And I've been consistent for y'all back to back. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know the vibes. But this is the look. And it gave very much that girl. And I will see y'all in my next video. Love you.